What if I told you one open source tool can generate complete faceless YouTube videos in under 60 seconds? We're talking script, footage, subtitles, and music, all of it done automatically.
Well, there's a tool called MoneyPrinterTurbo that does exactly that. And today, I'm going to show you how to get it set up and start using it. Let's get right into it.
So here's what we're gonna cover. First, we'll talk about the problem, what I call the creator's grind. Then I'll introduce the tool itself and show you a super quick demo. After that, we'll walk through the setup guide, look at some real-world use cases, and finally peek at what's coming next for the project. Sound good? Let's go.
All right, so first up, the creator's grind. Seriously, if you've ever even thought about starting a faceless YouTube channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The struggle is, well, it's real.
I mean, here's the thing, right? The old way is just a slog. You've got to write the scripts, then you're hunting for the right stock footage, you're painstakingly syncing subtitles, finding background music. It's literally hours of work for just one little video. The new way? Yeah, it's just MoneyPrinterTurbo. And that, of course, brings us to the solution, MoneyPrinterTurbo. Think of this thing as your personal automated content engine. It's built to wipe out that grind we just talked about completely. And look, this isn't some fly-by-night project that just popped up. This thing has some serious credibility. We're talking over 27,000 stars on GitHub. If you're in the open source world, you know that's a huge deal. It's basically a massive stamp of approval from a giant community of developers who believe in this project. And it's really not hard to see why it's so popular. It takes your topic, uses AI to write the script, automatically grabs royalty-free video clips from Pexels, gives you a bunch of voice options, and then it generates and syncs the subtitles for you. Oh, and it throws in background music too. The whole package. It works in both English and Chinese, and best of all, it's totally open source. Okay, enough talk. Let's get to the part I know you're waiting for, the 60-second demo. I'm going to show you just how ridiculously fast this thing is. And I'm not kidding here. The whole promise, the big idea behind this tool, is going from a simple topic to a finished high-def video in under a minute. It's a total game changer. So check out how simple this is. You just open up the web UI. Step 1, you type in your video topic. Step 2, the AI just writes the whole script. Now, you'll probably want to give it a quick once-over, add your own touch, but it gets you like 90% of the way there instantly. Step 3, you pick a voice you like. And step 4, you just click generate. That's it. Seriously. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This is straight from the project's own README file. Simply provide a topic or keyword, and it will automatically generate a high-definition short video. You gotta love that. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. Okay, so you've seen the magic. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get this running myself? Well, let's dive into the setup guide. First things first, what kind of machine do you need? The requirements are actually super reasonable. We're talking a minimum of 4 CPU cores and 4 gigs of RAM. But here's the kicker, the really important part. No GPU required. You do not need a crazy expensive graphics card to run this. That means it'll work on pretty much any modern computer. So you've got a couple of options for installation, but honestly, the recommended way, the way that's going to save you a ton of headaches, is using Docker. It's just the cleanest, most reliable way to get going. And getting it running with Docker is a breeze. It's just 4 steps. 1, clone the repo from GitHub. 2, copy the example config file and just rename it to config.toml. 3, pop that file open and paste in your API keys. We'll touch on those in just a sec. And finally, step 4, you go to your terminal and type one single command, docker compose up. Hit enter, and that's it. Docker takes care of everything else. Okay, so about those API keys. Inside that config.tom file, you need to plug in 2 things. First, an API key from Pexels. That's where it gets all the royalty-free video clips. And second, an API key for your large language model, for writing the scripts. And what's cool is that it supports a ton of them. You can use OpenAI, Google Gemini, DeepSeek. You can even run your own local models with a llama. This gives you total control over your costs and your privacy. All right, so you've got it installed. Now for the fun part. What can you actually do with this thing? Who is this really for? Let's get into some practical use cases. I can think of 3 main areas where this tool is just an absolute beast. First, and most obvious, is YouTube channel automation. I'm talking about building entire faceless content channels and just pumping out videos at a scale you could never, ever do by hand. Second, social media content. Imagine just generating dozens of short videos for TikTok, for Reels, whatever, almost on demand. And third, educational stuff. If you need to produce training videos or quick instructional clips, This is going to be your new best friend. And finally, let's talk about what's next, because this project is not just sitting around, it's actively being developed. There's a whole roadmap, and believe me, the future looks pretty awesome. So what's on the horizon? Some seriously cool stuff. They're adding support for GPT Sovets, which is an open source tool that lets you clone your own voice for the videos. How cool is that? They're also working on smoother video transitions, adding more places to get footage from, and, get this, the holy grail, automatically uploading the finished video straight to YouTube. Just think about that. You type in a topic, and a few minutes later, the video is live on your channel without you lifting another finger.
So it all comes down to this, really. Are you ready to stop spending all your time editing and actually start creating? If the answer is yes, then go start this repository on GitHub. Show the developers some love. Download it, try it out for yourself, and of course, make sure you're subscribed for more deep dives on AI tools that actually work. Thanks for tuning in.